Hi guys, long time no see. It's Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Behind me today we have the all-new redesigned Aquila 32 power catamaran. Hop on board and let's see what all the excitement's about. Back here we are powered by 300 Mercury Verados. That's an upgrade from the 250s. These are the joystick piloting ones as well, so you can make this boat do pretty much whatever you want at the helm. As we make our way forward, you notice that this one does have the upgraded premium mocha interior upholstery with the diamond stitch. Looks really nice. It's real high quality material. So we make our way into the deck. They did such a good job on this redesign, just with how open everything is now. You've got this table. Do one of these right here. Great social zone in the middle. Plenty of cup holders that are going to fold out. You notice here we've got the hard top. This is something that the old one didn't have, which now allows us to have a retractable sunshade that comes in and out of the hard top. Really nice, especially in the summertime. Coming in here, they stepped it up with their audio as well. You see the upgraded grills right there, and then we make our way over here. This is an absolutely loaded boat. This one is rigged to the gills, as I like to call it. You've got the sliding hatches up top here, which is a pretty big upgrade. And then you notice when we get to the helm station, we have the offshore navigation package. So that's when we have multiple Raymarine screens. We've got radar up top. This has all of the bells and whistles as far as electronics goes. And you come over here, you notice you've got the joystick, which I talked about earlier with the 300 Verados. Unlike the 36, the 32 does split your head and your berth. Your berth is here on the port side. Your head, which is actually darn huge for a 32 footer, gonna be down there. They did a great job with that. We make our way back up here. This is something that I really like that they did on 32. You got your grill over to your left hand side. That kind of keeps everybody together, and then this goes on there. Then you've got your sink. Then up on the bow we've got a great deal of seating as well. You notice we have the bow pad right there, so this whole area becomes flush, so you can kind of lounge out, have some fun, and just kind of enjoy the day out on the water. Not to be outdone by the windlass automatic anchor hauler up front. You push a button, the anchor's going to come up and down. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is an all-new redesigned Aquila 32 power catamaran. Already have a ton of them on pre-order. Going to be a huge hit. Come on down, hop on one a day. Bye guys.